Hello guys, hi. I know it's been a long time I haven't done this live stream, but yeah, one of the reason why I didn't did do the live stream because was a technical issue. Yeah, I can see that. So I just thought of doing this live stream because as I said, I was not active recently for the live streams. So I just wanted to have some Q&A session with you guys, as I have a lot of queries and a lot of questions that you guys have asked me. So I thought of why not I can answer these questions. So I have some questions with me. So let me read it out and then we'll discuss them. And yeah, so okay, let me just let me just open your questions first. And by the way, guys, you can ask me any of the questions in the comment section as well, and you can email me as you guys always do. So yeah, let's just start. And I have got your questions. Okay, the first question is super interesting. I'm not going to take the names, guys, because of it will take time and yeah. And some questions are really good, but some questions are kind of not related to our topic. That's why I'm not um, will be answering that. So the first question that someone has asked me is, if AI was your roommate, what's the first thing you would make it do? Okay, this is a really weird question, guys, but okay, I'll answer this. Um, it's really easy, guys. Dishes, because unlike me, AI won't cry, yeah, over a mountain of plates and a lot of things like that. Plus, I'll finally stop eating things like snacking things. So, yeah. Now, I'll just jump to a relevant question, that is, do you think AI is more of a job stealer or a job helper? Helper, because guys, it's like a calculator. Teachers once through calculators won't ruin math. So no, they just made us faster. Same with AI, guys. Unless your job is literally copy pasting, then sorry. So yeah. By the way, guys, I just wanted to ask you guys some questions that um, I've got 3 or 4 questions, like similar kind of questions that ma'am, can you have an AI session or AI based session that will be related to safety, industrial safety, or AI analytics cameras. So yeah, I just wanted to ask you guys when we can do this session, because I honestly need your opinions as well, because I'm going to do it for you guys. Yeah. Now let's get back to our quick Q&A session. Okay, so let me just okay, this is the good question. What's the coolest real world use of AI you have seen so far? Hospitals using AI to detect diseases early? Yeah. And literally, guys, it's life saving. because way cooler than AI trying to sell me socks I looked at once in 2019. So yeah. Okay. Okay, this is a very weird question, guys. Why are you asking me so weird questions? Okay, the question is, if AI could remove one boring task from your life forever, what should it be? Okay, emails, please, because guys, I want AI to write them and send them, and even fight with over AI in my inbox, Battlebox, and Outlook, because guys, when we talk about AI, AI is nothing but a very special tool that will make our daily lives very simple. As I said that I want an AI to write my emails, and why I said that, because it will make my job really easy, because I don't want to write tons of emails, and instead of that, it will make my time to utilize in a good, in a better genre. Could be I can use my time in problem solving, I can use my time in discussing, brainstorming the new topics, and etc. Something like that. So yeah, AI is not something that going to steal your job or something like that. You guys will, yeah, guys have made that AI is very dark and going to steal jobs. It's nothing like that, guys. It's very it's an angel if you take it as, if you utilize it in a very good way. So yeah, let's go to another question, and it is, should AI have Employee of the Month award? I mean, it's a very weird question. Yeah, I mean, it if you have that good AI base, obviously you can. I mean, yeah, awkward, but yeah. Okay, what scares you most about AI becoming smarter than us? I just now answered this question that um, it will read all my Google searches from 2012 to and use them against me, guys. Yeah, so imagine AI roasting me for typing, can you microwave Pop Tarts? Something like that. So, yeah, okay. I know the, because why I'm answering like that, because the questions are like that, and I'm getting really confused because of the questions. Okay. Another question is, will AI replace managers or just make managers lazier? Lazier? Oh my god. Imagine your boss saying, sorry, I can't approve this. Let me ask ChatGPT, something like that, guys. So, yeah. Now, as I said about like earlier, I've also said that when we talk about engagement, why people are not um, liking AI or are really scared to use AI, or why they don't want to upgrade from doing their manual work to the digital ones, is, I think, this is my personal opinion. It, people can think it differently. My opinion is like, we have to together build an AI that not only makes you engage in that activity but also kind of empathize with you, guys. For example, I'm going to tell you, Gammatek has recently had an AI tool that not only interacts with you, not only empathize with you, but kind of roast you in your, like Gen Z has a very thing, this roasting and stuff like that. So, for example, an incident that has happened, and whatever has happened, suppose coffee spilled on some important papers, that tool, that AI tool, will quickly going to announce or give you an alert on your devices that, hello, Mr. or Miss, you have spoiled your coffee and something like that. Don't do this or something like that. So an AI which is also interacting with you, an AI that is also roasting you, an AI that is literally making you engage and you're not getting bored and your work is also being done. So yeah, that's why we can use AI in a very better way. So let's just head to our next question, guys. And the next question you have asked me is, would you trust AI? What? No, this is a rubbish question. Next question is, I'll complete this sentence, okay? My AI is more dash than me. Okay. Maybe more consistent because and more awake, because more likely AI, guys, is basically, from my point of view, from my perspective, is basically a better human than I am, because AI is tool that is going to help you do things that you are doing manually. Suppose you are filling a permit or you are filling a paper sheet or spreadsheets. Instead of wasting your time doing filling spreadsheets every day, it took what 10 hours, 20 hours, 15 hours, and HRs over here can understand what I'm trying to say, because yeah, it takes hell of time. So maybe instead of that, AI can do the filling things, and maybe it can do in lesser time than you are doing, and you can do more productive things like problem solving, brainstorming, doing some other project that requires your attention more than the spreadsheets. So yeah, let's head to our next question. Guys, by the way, you have asked me some really funny questions and awkward questions that I'm not able to relate with the topic. So another question is, should AI pay tax since... Oh my god, guys, which industry will AI completely change by 2030? Now, this is a really nice question. I guess education, because guys, instead of homeworks, kids will just say, Chat GPT, you know, wrote my essay, and teachers will be like something SnagX for plagiarism. So yeah, and when I talk about AI and education sector, guys, look, I'm not here to talk about any bad about what AI can do harm or to any sector, but here I'm going to tell you about how AI can make it better. So when we talk about education, AI can simply explain or do things that today we are doing manually. It can explain in a better, in a more interactive way, you know, to our kids, to our upcoming generations. So, I have another question that, will AI replace man? I mean, this question I have read already. And okay, next question is, if AI could run a country, would you vote for it? Okay. Look, guys, this is my opinion, okay? Completely mine. So first let me think about it, because it's a very tricky question. I don't want to have any sort of controversies, anything like that. So To be very honest, my perspective is yes. Why not? Because at least it won't argue on Twitters at 3 a.m. And okay, further, I'm not going to answer this because I have things to say, but I'm not going to say on the live stream because it can happen in a quick bit. So, the next question, I'm going to jump on the next question. So, it says that, okay, imagine AI 20 years from now. Best friend or worst nightmare? Um, Obviously, guys, look, it's upon how you take it. If I want to make AI as my best friend, by using AI in a very better way, it can be my best friend. And if I want to take, if I don't, you know, if I don't want to upgrade with AI, it's a nightmare because honestly, unless it starts changing, you know, things until it is making my life easier. And if my best friend is doing that, I'm happy with that. So yeah, I will choose. I'll go with the best friend option. Okay, let's go. Let's go to another question. Do you think AI is more of a job stealer or a job helper? Seriously, you are asking me this question again? Okay, let me answer in a very good way. That is obviously a helper because it's like a calculator. Teachers once thought calculators would ruin math. But what happened? It helped mathematicians or people to, do the work easily, quickly, and more precisely. AI is also like that, guys. It's not going to steal you, it's not going to stop you from doing what you are doing. It's going to help you, make you feel upgraded on whatever task you are doing. If you are doing a research, if you are doing something else, it is just going to help you and make your project look more enhanced. So, yeah, this is my opinion, guys. People can have their own opinion as they always have. So yeah, sorry for that, but it is the truth. Okay. Another question is: be honest. Would you let AI write? Oh my God, this is a very no. I'm not reading this question. Okay, the next question I'm going to read is: which job will AI be terrible at? Why? First of all, why are you guys doing this? Okay, still, I'm going to answer this because you guys have requested it, so I have to do it. My answer would be stand-up comedy. Yeah, because guys, AI can roast humans, but punchline hit likes. Yes, like Windows update, so something like that. Okay, let's head to the next question because we are doing a lot of fun, but I want to answer some serious questions. Okay, so no more fun question. I'm going to switch to serious questions. Why I'm not able to find this. I don't know, but I have sorted out the questions. I'm not able to find it. Give me a second, guys. I don't know why my PC is acting like this, but it is. I can't do anything about it. Yeah, by the way, guys, if you have any query regarding AI or AI regarding tools, you can DM me. You can comment in the section. You can have your questions in the comment section, and of course, you can DM me. And I have my Instagram link on the description, so you can do that. So we have our questions. Yeah. So, next question is, will AI ever achieve true consciousness? Maybe one day, guys, but right now, from my perspective, like from my point of view, AI is like that smart kid who memorized the textbook but still doesn't get the sarcasm. How do I answer this? Would be consciousness is not yet. Patterns matching, yes. So something like that. Yeah, mommy, maybe one day, but not now. One day. So yeah, next question is, who owns AI created at what? Guys, this is very okay, by the way. Anyway, I'm going to answer this. I think, guys, this question is also really tricky. I'm not here to do that, but if AI painted Mona Lisa 2.0, is it the AI? Is it the coder, or is it the who passed the generator test or something like that? So my vote would be whoever paid the electricity bill or the bill that tools are. And I'm not okay. Let's just end this answer. So next question is, should AI gets right? What? No, I'm not going to answer this. Okay. Next question is AI biased? Guys, AI isn't racist or political or something political by itself. It's like a mirror. If humans are biased, AI reflects it. It's back. Yeah. So the real problem is maybe, guys, is us, because at the end, whatever data, whatever things you are storing and you're giving to AI, that it is just, you know, giving that. And why my hands? Oh my god. I don't know what is it. Huh. Now, another question is, can AI understand morality? Guys, the question is, morality is mess. See, AI can follow rules. AI is not here for, at least now, AI is not that much empathetic towards humans. Yeah, so AI can follow rules. AI, but if you asked it, say, five people's one dog, it might just Google the answer and repeat. So yeah, so it is like that. I can't help it. So next question, because you guys are asking me this sort of questions. So what can I do? I have to answer like that. So that way you won't ask me not stupid questions, but irrelevant questions. So yeah, because I'm here to answer AI. Yes. So guys, and don't be so nasty or don't be so rude, because you guys are asking these questions. And yeah. So the next question is, whose responsibility is if AI causes an accident? Guys, imagine blaming your calculator because you failed math. Responsibilities lies with humans, developers, companies, and regulators. So yeah, I mean, think about it, guys. Does AI connect or isolates us? I think, guys, let me think about it first. Let me think about it. I think both. Because it connects us globally, guys. Yeah, and also makes people spend dinner arguing about with ChatGPT instead of family. So something like that. So yeah, the next question, guys. I want some interesting questions. This is all funny questions, and I don't want to answer funny question. I was here to interact with you in a very good way, but okay, it's okay. Some live streams has to be like that, to talk on a very free basis, on a very casual basis, but staying relevant to our topic. Okay, next topic is I'm going with that next question. Could does AI connect or isolate us? I have already answered this question. Okay. Government regulations of freedom. Guys, why? I don't want to answer this question because I don't want to create any sort of massive things, and yeah. So, next question would be, if AI predicts my behavior, is free with real? What? Free will exists. AI just know you are about to watch the Netflix show, you said you can't quit. Yeah. So guys, wait, let me just close this. And I've read all your questions. I've all read all your queries regarding the Gammatek AI tools, and most of the viewers are really new. I get it, and I just want to talk that I'm here to talk to you guys about AI tools that are actually going to help you in future and not going to scare you or anything like that. My intentions, my motives are here to give, to serve better things to the world, easy and accessible and enhanced technology to the world. And how and why, how I'm doing is, the question is that our company Gammatek ISPL is designing and developing such AI tools, mm, that are really going to, guys, help you with your upcoming task, your upcoming any sort of projects. So when I talk about industries, when I talk about industrial plant, every plant and every industries have their different requirements, different needs. And honestly, guys, different plant will have a different sort of requirements. So suppose if I talk about a pharma plant, maybe it will have a different sort of requirement. So suppose they will be required for having a good permit related software, or a good safety related software, or yeah, or a management or a monitoring, because pharma is a very delicate plant where you have to be very careful, because they have chemicals, toxins, and everything like that. So we literally help them by designing some good tools, and yeah, AI tools and AI softwares. So now I'm just going to give an answer for the question. So a person asked me, like, it I just received it yesterday only on my Instagram, and on my, I guess it was on my, yeah, it was on my Instagram, and it was on my email as well. So he asked me that, ma'am, I just wanted to ask about your AI tool that is SitePermitX, and I wanted to know about it, that what exactly it does. So I just answered that person that imagine you are in a manufacturing plant, and in a manufacturing plant, guys, equipments and everything are there, and heavy machineries are there. And what SitePermitX do is, on a regular basis, permits are generating in every sort of plant, and in manufacturing plant, workers are there, vendors came, and people came there. So SitePermitX literally makes permits digital, because manual way of making permits is very time taking, guys. Maybe it takes 15, 20, or maybe 25 minutes to make a permit, to approve a permit, and it's all paperwork. And imagine, guys, if a paper, what if a paper get lost? Not a paper, but a permit get lost. What would be the consequences? You can imagine, guys. So we are here to solve real life problems by developing and designing all those software. So yes, guys, I just wanted to give some answers to you guys in this live stream, and I also wanted to apologize you in the end that for not being active on the live streams because of, yeah, some technical problems. So yeah, bye bye guys. With that, I'm going to end this live stream, and I do want you guys to like, subscribe, and share who really wants to hear this. And guys, if you have any sort of query regarding AI or AI tools or SitePermitX, FixitX, or any AI regarding tool software, you can DM us, you can email us. We are going to answer your questions, answer your queries through whatever means it would be possible. So, bye bye, guys. I'll meet you in the next live stream.